अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम सैयद अली शाह ज़ैदी है और मैं फाउंडर हूँ द म्यूरल फैक्ट्री का। फ़र्स्ट ऑफ़ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट आई एम थ्रिल्ड टू हैव दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू अप्लाई फॉर केटूप्रेन्योर प्रोग्राम। आई वुड लाइक टू अप्रिशिएट उस्मान आसिफ साहब जो बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं इस डोमेन के लिए और हम फेलो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के लिए और हम लोगों को जो प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। आई रियली अप्रिशिएट इट। दिस हैज़ बीन वन ऑफ माई ड्रीम्स to be around successful people, to be around like-minded people, and always I wanted to have a better network, better opportunities around me. I am running this business, the Mural Factory, for the last 10 years now, and I started it as a side hustle, but I shifted it full-time on 2017. My company is around under 10 employees right now, and I want to expand it. We provide large-scale artworks and mural services. Mainly we do murals, but other than murals we also have our expertise in interior design and architecture, because we have been in the domain for the last 10 years, so we are now catering to other domains as well. I've always had a passion for entrepreneurship. मैंने ये business start किया था तो I was not an artist myself. I'm a computer engineer by background, educational background, but somehow I accidentally jumped into the industry of art, so I decided to carry on. And since then, Alhamdulillah, I have brought my company to a level where I am industry leader in this, and I have the biggest portfolio in the country. Names like DHL, Food Panda, KFC, Engro Tapal, HBL, Shell एंड यूनिलीवर और जितने भी हम बड़े नाम इस मुल्क के अंदर इस वक्त एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, आई हैव अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वर्क विद देम. आई हैव अ वेरी डाइवर्स बैकग्राउंड. For example, I have a computer engineering degree for starters, and then I have worked in banking and finance sector as well for 7 years in fraud investigation division. Other than that, I have been running my company for the last 10 years, so I have this entrepreneurial experience as well. Other than that, I have worked in Web3 as well, so I started a startup with a friend in 2021. It was a blockchain development company, and we used to develop smart contracts for NFT projects, which was very successful, and we have collectively created value around 3 million pounds plus. And other than that, I am still working on that startup again, and we are building different tools and different platforms. So we are providing different kind of services and developing a tool for ourselves. Why I think that I should be a part? I believe that this program is a very good opportunity for me to explore other minds, other avenues, and bring on the table what I have in me and what I have in my mind, in my vision. And I want to have that kind of environment where I can actually learn from someone, because I think I still need a lot of learning for myself, and I have this urge of doing many things in my life, and provide and exploring many options, many opportunities, and creating many businesses, many revenue streams. So that's why I don't want to limit myself on anything, since I have been very मैं इस चीज़ को बार बार प्रूव कर भी चुका हूँ अपने पास्ट के अंदर भी और अभी करंटली भी, कि आई हैव दिस कैपेसिटी इन मी, एंड आई एम ऑलरेडी वर्किंग ऑन सो मच ऑफ आइडियाज़, एंड आई एम ईगर टू इमर्स माई सेल्फ इन टू सपोर्टिव कम्यूनिटी, और जहाँ पर मुझे सही की मेंटोरिंग मिल सके, सही का मुझे सपोर्ट मिल सके, ताकि मैं अपने फुल पोटेंशियल को रीच कर सकूँ. माई मेन विजन इज़ टू क्रिएट मोर एंड मोर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ फॉर पीपल अराउंड मी. फॉर ऑल दैट आई कैन सी राइट नाउ इज़ disheartenment and lack of morale and lack of energy in people, because सब लोगों के दिल बहुत हारे हुए हैं और सब लोग बहुत ज़्यादा disappointed हैं towards the current situation and current affairs that are running. So I want to create more and more happy environment and opportunities मैं ज़्यादा create करना चाहता हूँ, और मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं अपना full role play करूँ जो भी मैं कर सकता हूँ अपने मुल्क के लिए और अपने लोगों के लिए. So this would be my 2 minutes introduction. I hope this would suffice. Thank you so much once again for the opportunity, and I am looking forward to meet like-minded people. Thank you.